Hi guys! Today we will be reviewing the BLK Fresh Creamy All Over Paint. So, ito siya. I got all 4 shades. We're gonna do 4 monochromatic looks. So, ilalagay ko siya sa lips, sa cheeks, and sa eyes. And then for the lips, syempre yung applicator and yung fingers natin yung gagamitin natin. And then for the cheeks, fingers ulit. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush para makita natin if it's blendable also using a brush. And then in between the shades, I'm gonna be using yung Wondermelon na wipes nila. Also, if hindi nyo pa napapanood, I did swatch comparisons of this one with the Happy Skin na Coffee Edition Lip Mallow Set. So I'll link it here. So I'll put it in the cards and check it out. So I actually got the set na 4 shades ng Creamy All Over Paint plus this one, the wipes. BLK's Fresh line. It's all about summer, so parang mga fruits yung theme niya. And yung packaging sobrang cute kasi meron silang parang 4 themes, which is yung watermelon, wondermelon, peach, strawberries or berries, tsaka coconut. So ganyan siya. Hindi makita, pero ganyan siya. And it's super cute. And then pati sa loob, you can see na ganun din yung theme, like yung fruits na theme. Also, ito pala, it smells sweet. So bawat flavor, it has a different smell. So like yung coconuts, amoy coconut siya. Yung ito, amoy, hindi ko alam, hindi siya amoy watermelon, pero may amoy siyang matamis, fruity. And then yung peach, yes, amoy peach. Tsaka yung berries din, amoy berries. So, it's something they added na fun and cute, ganon. Feeling peachy. Very berry. Wondermelon. Coco Crush. Price nito for the set na kinuha ko, yung 4 Creamy All Over Paint plus this one, it's 1,596 pesos. Then you can get each one of this for 399 and then yung wipes is 169 pesos. Here are my thoughts. They're very blendable, sobrang daling i-apply, both with your hands or fingers, and yung brush din. It's very blendable. So, nung ginamit ko siya sa eyes ko with a brush, I can parang blend it out. Hindi siya mukhang harsh na ganon, and hindi siya patchy at all. So, yung face ko sobrang dry ngayon, pero hindi siya nagkikling sa dry patches. Another thing is, aside from being blendable, hindi rin siya nagsiset agad. So, nung ginagawa ko kanina, kung nakita nyo, nilalagay ko muna sa cheeks and then nilalagay ko sa lips ko. Kahit na tapusin ko muna yung lips bago ko i-blend yung cheeks ko, sobrang dali pa rin yung i-blend. Pagdating naman sa longevity, hindi naman niya kiniklaim na forever siya maglalast sa face, but it lasts a long time naman. And hindi naman siya problem kasi you can easily put this inside your bag and then reapply when you need to. Another thing na gusto ko with this is it's a one thing kind, it's multi-use, so pwede mo gamitin for your whole face. So you can just pop it in your bag, and then kung kailangan mo mag-makeup bigla, ganon, you can put it on your lips, cheeks, and eyes, and then you're good to go. So ngayon, ganon ako, wala akong nilagay sa face ko, and I just put this, and it worked. Yung one thing lang, be careful when you apply this sa lips. Make sure na hindi sobrang dami, kasi may tendency siya na parang liquid kasi, di ba? May tendency siya na parang pag masyadong madami didikit sa lips mo, mahirap na i-control, syempre lalampas, yung mga ganyan. So that's why inuna ko din yung paglagay sa cheeks, tapos tsaka ako ginagawa yung lips. And then for the eyes, I put it on my hands, and then dun ko sinuswirl yung brush, tsaka ko siya nilalagay sa eyes ko. And remember to just get the excess out para hindi messy. So, do I recommend it? Yeah. Kasi it's multi-use. So, kung hindi ka talaga mahilig mag-makeup that much or tamad ka sa day na yon, it's very handy to have this. One product, tapos ka na agad. Tapos, when it comes to this one naman, yung BLK na Wondermelon wipes, I actually just used one wipe in between the shades, and it works. So, natatanggal niya ng maayos, and hindi siya nagda-dry agad. So, hanggang ngayon, it's still wet. So, that's it. So, that was my review for the BLK na Fresh, Creamy All Over Paint, and Wondermelon wipes. So, I really liked it. Another product, local product na okay. Yay! Yun, so I'm gonna say bye. Don't forget to subscribe and follow all my social media channels, and I'll see you on my next video.